Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, we are going to show you how to find out if someone has blocked you on Google Meet. Google connects its services seamlessly, which means a block on one app often carries over to the others. If you suspect you have been blocked, here are 3 clear signs to look out for. Sign number 1. Check their Google Chat status. Because Google Meet is tied directly to your main Google account, a block usually applies account-wide. Open Google Chat and search for their specific email or name. If their profile picture has suddenly disappeared, or you can no longer see their online status or send them a message, this is a strong indicator that your account has been blocked. Sign number 2. Try inviting them directly to a new Google Meet call. Open Meet, create a new secure meeting link, and attempt to add them manually using their exact email address. If they have blocked you, you will likely receive an error message, or their contact profile simply will not appear in the Auto Suggest drop-down menu when you type their name. Sign number 3. The endless ring. If you are using the direct calling feature inside the Google Meet mobile app, try ringing their account. If the call rings continuously without ever connecting, or if it drops immediately on the first ring every single time, it is highly likely that they have restricted your profile. Keep in mind, these signs could also mean the person has completely deleted their Google account or is facing severe network issues. However, if you experience all 3 of these signs at the exact same time, a block is the most probable reason. If you found this guide helpful, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, direct tech tutorials. See you in the next one.